Hey, I'm going to walk you through how to create a voice thread and then have students upload their documents, their writing samples, and comment on them. So I'm in VoiceThread right here. Just go voicethread.com. Be sure you log in. If you go straight through Canvas, you get a zero link and it's linked up to a professional account by your email address. All right, so here's how you create one. You add media. Click. So this is the backdrop. So you want to pick something to start off with. Now you should note you could just do a webcam photo or a video or an audio recording for them to base it off of to start with. I'm going to actually come through here and do some sort of document. I don't know. What do we got here? Mass Student Experience Survey. So I put it, it's a docx. We're going to do this as a Gentry example. And there we go. You can put a description in there. Here are some playback options. Notice one of the things that's default is allow commenter to add slides. And I'll show you how that works. I take off the text because students, when they type in, it's usually short and it's not as cool and interactive. It doesn't take advantage of these things. And I save. Shazam. Okay, so these are the two slides that they currently have. If you go to share this with your students, a couple of things here. First of all, copy this link and allow anybody to view and comment on it. And there's the link that you send to the students in a particular group, group 1, 2, 3, or 4. So you send everybody in group 1 the same link, and that's great. Also, who has access? You need to come here and make sure this says anyone can comment. It often will default to private, so make sure that once you've done this, great, copy link, and you can send it to them. Now, once it's in there, it's there. You'll notice if I head back home, it's now Gentry Example is the top one. It just goes by order of when it was created. And here's the share link, same thing we had here. Who gets it? These are your classes if you've put it into Canvas. And you can copy this slide. Once you've done it for one group and added something, you can copy it and then say I want Gentry Example 2 or Group 2 or Group 3 or Group 4, and you can see how I've labeled like my 100B Week 12, Group 4, Group 3, and I just made copies of them after I'd put my own comments on there. Okay, so now you can go back to the editing mode. Great, you can add more stuff here, but this is what I wanted to show you. Since we put in there the commenting things, this is how it works to do the commenting. So we're going to try this and see if it works now. Here's how you would do a comment, a video comment. You'll see I'm working over on the side, and if I click this pencil tool, I can go and draw on this and stuff like that while I am talking, and it will upload it. So I hit that, it says cancel or, and then it's going to save that, and it has that going. Yeah, okay, I'll save that guy. That's a good one. Now, this is what's kind of cool about this. This is my writing sample, and if I were commenting on it as another student, I would go like this, and you'll notice the student can add a slide. This is a commenter. This is a student now who can say, ooh, I would like to upload a file. And the file they're going to upload is something completely different. They're going to talk about shape formulas. You'll love this one. And so now, as they upload that file or their particular document that they're talking about, sorry, I got to put back on my headset. That's what the screen recorder's doing. Okay, so once we recorded that of me saying that, notice when I go back to click that button again, you'll notice my comment was there from before. And now on the end is the new presentation, the new writing sample of the other student. So I go like this and say, okay, now I'm going to do an audio comment. And now on this new thing, I can say, this is what I was thinking here. I'm reading through, and check. And then they hit stop recording. And while it's uploading, we wait for just a moment and then click save. And so as you flip through the slides now, here's the first comment, and you can hit play and hear me say it. Here's how you would do a comment. Cool. And then as you flip through them, here's my comment on the new writing sample, and somebody else can comment on it as well. And then as other people want to comment on their writing sample, they just hit this little guy down here and it'll be a video comment, and they have the pen tool as well. So it's kind of cool that they can hit this and add their own writing sample to it and then click back and then go to their writing sample and comment on it. All right, give that a shot, see if I missed something there.